Welcome to DOCTORS NEET ACADEMY. Today I am going to give 7 problems in structure of atom. See the first question. What is the maximum number of emission lines when the excited electrons of hydrogen atom in N is equal to 6 drops to ground state? Option A 6, B 15, option C 30, option D 10. Next one. Second one. If the ionization energy of hydrogen atom is 13.6 electron volt, the energy required to excite it from ground state to next higher state is approximately dash. Option A 3.4 electron volt, option B 10.2 electron volt, option C 17.2 electron volt, option D 13.6 electron volt. Next one. Third one. What will be the orbital angular momentum of an electron in 2s orbital? Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. Next one. Fourth one. Very simple one, you know that. How many orbitals and electrons are associated with n is equal to 4? Option A 32 and 64, option B 16 and 32, option C 4 and 16, option D 8 and 16. Next one. Fifth one. How many electrons in an atom can have following quantum numbers? N is equal to 4 and M means magnetic quantum number is equal to minus half. Option A 32, option B 18, option C 8, option D 16. Next one. Sixth one. Bohr's theory can also be applied to the ions like. That's a question. Which ions can be applied? That's a question. Option A helium plus ion, option B lithium 2 plus ion, option C beryllium 2 plus ion, option D all of these. Okay. Next one. Last question. According to Bohr's theory, the angular momentum of an electron in fifth orbit is dash. Option A 10 h by pi, option B 25 h by pi, option C 1.5 h by pi, option D 2.5 h by pi. So these are the 7 questions. So I will give the solution to this in next problem solving session. Thank you, students.